Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to silence notifications on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to silence notifications on your iPhone is to quickly turn on Do Not Disturb. Just scroll down the control center, locate focus and click on it, and then you should say silence all notifications. Turn on Do Not Disturb. So once you click on Do Not Disturb, this is going to silence all notifications on your iPhone, including incoming calls, messages, or notifications from applications. Again, if you don't want to use Do Not Disturb to silence all call notifications on your iPhone, then you can go to your phone settings. Under Settings, scroll down and click on Notifications. Now, under Notifications, all you want to do is you want to turn off Allow Notifications. So, scroll down to where you see Notification Style, and then select the application where you want to turn off notifications from. As you can see, I have notifications for all of this application turned off. Click on the application and go ahead and turn off Allow Notifications. So that's going to turn off notifications for the application. Then you need to repeat this on all other applications whose notifications you want to turn off. And again, if you want to remove notification sound, just come to Sounds and Haptics, click on it. Then come to Test Tone, click on it. Go ahead and set this to none. Once you set your test tone to none, this is going to silence notifications for incoming text. Repeat the same thing for ringtone. So just come here, reduce this to the barest minimum. When you have an incoming call, this is going to be silenced. But the most secure and recommended approach you can use to silence notifications on your iPhone is just go ahead and turn on Do Not Disturb. With Do Not Disturb enabled, this is going to silence notifications on your iPhone, except if you have some exception when you set up the focus mode. And lastly, to silence notifications on your iPhone, you simply need to turn to the left of the phone where you see the ringer button. Tilt this downward and then you should say silent mode. And that is going to silence all notifications on your phone. Once you are done, tilt this forward again to enable ringer. And that's exactly how to silence notifications on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.